Hi, I'm Del Kane, Executive Director of Advocates for Community Wellness. Are you ready to transform your health through the power of nutrition? Join Advocates on Monday, December the 30th from 5:15 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. at Your Organic Energy Cafe for an exciting food, nutrition, and your health event. This is your chance to take control of your well-being. Remember, there's only one you, and your health deserves top priority. Our event is designed to inspire and empower you to make positive changes in your life through nutrition and healthy cooking. Here's what you can look forward to. First, dive into an enlightening nutrition education session. Our experts will share valuable insight on how food impacts your overall health. You'll learn about the benefits of whole foods, balanced meals, and how to make informed dietary choices that can boost your energy and vitality. But we're not just talking about theory, we're getting practical. The highlight of our event is a hands-on cooking class led by an experienced chef. Roll up your sleeve and learn how to prepare delicious, nutrient-rich meals.